So this is our first dialogue. Bimaza tashuru. Bimaza tashuru.
Pusing
What
kepala.
do you feel? What do you feel?
How do you feel?
So you can say, how do you feel?
What do you feel?
Yeah. What do you feel?
What to feel?
What do you
Bima.
feel?
What
How do you feel?
how
So you can
Bima jata
consider
suru.
both. How do you feel? What do you feel?
What do you feel? What do you feel?
So I Saidaliyu, the pharmacist.
Saya
The
tulis
pharmacist.
the
The pharmacist.
pharmacist.
Okay.
The pharmacist. Di atas, di atas, di atas.
Okay.
Di atas, di atas.
Bimaza tashuru.
Di atas.
Atas mana?
Atas suruh. Tadi di sini. Iya di situ, di atas apa?
Yang mana?
Ditulisnya di atas.
Oh, di atas.
Pharmacist.
Itu pharmacist.
Farmasis bukan gitu, farmasis.
Pharmacist nanti boleh tengok spelling lah. Later you can check the spelling. I Saidaliyu, pharmacist. Bimaza tashuru. What do you feel? Al maridu. Al maridu, the patient. Ashuru bisuda'in. Ashuru bisuda'in. Bisuda'in mean headache. Bisuda'in, headache.
Headache.
Ashkuru bisuda'in. I feel headache. I am feeling headache. Sayyid Aliyu, tanawal. Tanawal means take. Take food, take medicine, take anything. Tanawal, take. Haza dawa'u, this medicine. Tanawal haza dawa'u, take this medicine. Dawa'u, medicine. Take this medicine. Al-mumarridatu. Al-mumarridatu, nurse. Al-mumarridatu, nurse. Bimaza tashuru. What do you feel? How do you feel? Bimaza tashuru. What do you feel? How do you feel? Ashuru biltihabin fi halqi. Ashuru, I feel. Biltihabin mean burning or inflammation. Burning, you simply can say sore throat, inflammation, or burning. Ashru biltihabi, I feel sore, fi halki in my throat. I feel burning, I feel inflammation, or I feel sore in my throat. Halki, throat. My throat. Khuz hazihil huknatu. Khuz mean take. Hazihil huknatu, this injection. Huknatu, injection. Take this injection. Khuz hazihil huknatu, take this injection. Bimaza tashurina. Tashurina, for male we use tashuru, for feminine we use tashurina. What do you feel? We use for tashurina for the feminine. What do you feel? How do you feel? Ashkuru bi maghasin. Ashkuru bi maghasin. Maghasin mean belly ache, stomach ache, or you can say cramp. I feel cramps. Ashuru bi maghasin. I feel belly ache, I feel stomach, or I feel cramps. Sayyid Liu, Azhabi ila tabibi. Azhabi ila tabibi, go to the doctor. So pharmacist is advising her to go to the doctor. Azhabi we use for the feminine. For masculine we use azhaba, and for feminine we use azhabi. Azhabi ila tabibi, go to the doctor. Al Maza hadasu lahu. Maza hadasa lahu. Hadasa mean happened. Hadasa happened. Happened lahu to him. Maza hadasa lahu, what happened to him? Ladaihi zukamun, he has flu. He has flu. Ladaihi, he has zukamun, flu. Khuzhu ila tabibi. Khuzhu, take him. Here who we use in the meaning of him. Khuzhu, take him ila tabibi, to the doctor. So mother says, Maza hadasa lahu, what happened to him? Al Abu, the father replies, Ladaihi zukamun, he has flu. Then mother says, Khuzhu ila tabibi, take him to the doctor. Al jaddatu.
Maza hadasa laka.
Maza hadasa laka. Maza hadasa laka, what happened with you? Laka, with you, for you, to you, you can translate. Maza hadasa, what happened laka, with you? Isba'i zanifun, isba'i, my finger. We have learned isba'un, finger, isba'i, my finger, yanzifu, bleed, my finger bleeding. My finger bleeds. So you can translate also bleeding. My finger is bleeding. Al Abu, Maza hadasa li ukhtika basmatu. Maza hadasa, what happened li ukhtika, with your sister? Basmatu, what happened to your sister Basma? So father is asking, to Basma, Maza hadasa li ukhtika Basmatu, what happened to your sister Basma? So Basam says, Isba'uha maksurun. Isba'uha, her finger. Her finger maksurun is broken. Her finger is broken. Maksurun, broken. Khuzha ila tabibi. Khuzha, take her. Ila tabibi, to the doctor. Take her to the doctor. Khuzha ila tabibi, take her to the doctor. So pharmacist said, Maza hadasa li akhika ala'in. What happened to your brother Allah? What happened to your brother Allah? Li akhika, with your brother. Ala'in is the name of brother. Maza hadasa li akhika ala'in. What happened with your brother? Allah, Ala'in, Allah. What happened to your brother Allah? So Basman replies, Asnanuhu. Asnanuhu, his teeth. Asnanuhu, his teeth. Tulimuhu, hurt. Tulimuhu, hurt. His teeth hurt. Khuzhu ila tabibal asnani. Khuzhu, take him ila tabib, to the doctor. Al asnani, dentist. Take him to the dentist. Tabib al asnani, dentist. Khuzhu ila tabib al asnani, take him to the dentist. Al-amu, maza hadasa li ammika faridin. Maza hadasa, what happened? Li ammika, with your uncle Farid. What happened with your uncle Farid? Ibnul Akhi, nephew. Ibnul Akhi, nephew. Ladaihi ummi, he has fever. Ladaihi ummi, he has fever. What happened to your uncle Farid? Ladaihi ummi, he have fever.